This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Morning guys, October 4th, 2018. This one here, I was just at this job and the lady's complaining about the furnace, the fan's not shutting off, the fan running all the time, so I'm gonna go over there and see what's going on. When I first went there to do the job, the breaker was off on this thing, so it might have a problem with the fan cycle switch, or the thermostat might be something going on there, so we'll figure it out. Try to get you some shots when I get there. I wasn't around yesterday. I had to go to a seminar all day, so I told her I'd go by there first thing this morning. It's not even cold out yet. It's like probably 70 degrees out, so you really don't need the heat right yet. But this is a callback job, callback one. I should have probably waited, made sure everything was fine before I left there, but
turn left on 9th Street.
Things happen. Not perfect. The fan's definitely blowing on that thing. I have to find out why. Well, I know it's not that because I got it off. Unless the wires are touching in the wall. Alright, it was on manual, see? Push manual. Pull automatic. That's all it was. That's a fan cycle switch. It was on the wrong setting. I should have checked it. The fan cycle switch works properly before I go. I'll turn to the 150 and then the fan will kick on. The high limit's 200, and when you shut it off, it cools down to 100. See? There goes the fan. No, the heat exchange is good. Alright, I'll turn that down. 65 for now. Alright, so the flame's off. That's going to cool down to the 100 mark, that low. It's going to cool down to the 100 mark, and then the fan should shut off. There's 3 settings. The low setting, which is a cool down setting. Then there's the turn on setting, which is 150, and then high limit is at 200. There we go. It's off. Make sure we put this cover back on, and then that's gonna be out. You can see push manual, pull automatic. So we're out. That's all I need to be. I did clean put a new filter in. I did pull the fan out, clean this one too. Clean the burners on this one. So that's pretty good right there. We'll see what the other one's doing. See what the other bay's doing, if I can find it. Really worried about the CO levels. They're stable, you know. With the stack temperature on that baby. The old beast. The CO's not rising. Safe to operate type of thing. I mean, it's old stuff, guy. Old stuff. That ain't too bad right there. We'll print it. Zero. I just gotta change the thermostat. It's still crawling right now, but clean burners, clean blower, and burners. I did pull the fan out, cleaned it, the belt was fine. Put a new thermocouple in there, did a combustion test. Filters.